Today we're diving into the sleek and modern MarineLand Contour glass aquarium kit with rail light, a compact and custom-designed aquarium that brings aquatic beauty right into your home. With its stylish square shape, rounded corners, and clear glass canopy, this aquarium offers stunning views from multiple angles, making it a perfect centerpiece for any room. Experience the magic of both day and night with its innovative LED lighting system, where bright white LEDs mimic shimmering sunlight and blue LEDs create a tranquil moonlit glow. The advanced, hidden 3-stage filtration system ensures your aquatic environment stays clean and vibrant, all while remaining out of sight to enhance your viewing experience. Enjoy easy access to your aquatic world with the hinged LED rail light and sliding glass canopy, making maintenance a breeze. Measuring 9.63 inches in length and width, and standing 14 inches tall, the MarineLand Contour 3 Aquarium is the ideal size for any space. Transform your home into an aquatic paradise with this beautifully designed aquarium kit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.